Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to delete all messages on iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on this app. Okay, then show your all message and just swipe left, click on delete, then delete and scroll down, choose any message, then tap on swipe left and delete and tap on edit, click on select message and tick mark, then choose all message, then delete. To delete all messages on iPhone, then edit, select, then all select, tap on delete. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.